What's up guys, it's Lexi. So today we are exploring an abandoned airplane. So it was owned by a Venezuelan shipping company and it's been vacant for many years. They brought it here 4 years ago to sell it out for parts. So this is the front of the plane. There are all the switches. This is so cool. Don't know what those are. Wow, that's so cool. And there's some masks here. That's so cool. And there's more controls up here. Oh, you can't really tell, it's so bright. And there's a chair there. Oh, and the mirror. It's shattered.
Oh. You mean you don't want us adjusting that as a window? Oh my goodness.
So we are very high up, as you can tell, obviously. And this is so cool, the chair here, and the net. This is the washroom, obviously. It's very tiny in here. I love how all of the paint is coming off the wall. That is so cool. And there's a bunch of these. A bunch of these. There's a super old kettle here. It's from 1997. And there's these ovens. I didn't know they had ovens on planes. These are so cool. Okay, now moving on from this area, we're going over here. Oh my god, this is so cool. So far. So there's seats here.
Does it inflate?
And there's a life vest. It's so cool. Do not occupy this seat. This vest is so cool. There's all of these, and then these on the floor are seat tracks. So those are the seat tracks, and when they converted it into a cargo plane, they turned, which I'll show you, the rolling things on the ground for that. These things, and they like roll around. So yeah, those. So I didn't know what these were before, but they're like the masks that you get off the ceiling. That is so cool. So you put it on to breathe. Like, that is so cool. It's right next to the giant opening. But yeah, that is awesome.
They weren't walking on the wings outside.
This looks so cool. Out this little window you can see the wing. That is awesome.
That's almost as much money as it costs to fly. Where's that?
Don't know what's in here. Oh, that's
Nothing.
cool.
I said I could fit in here and hide and you guys wouldn't find me.
There's these here. And then out this window is another wing. That's so cool. And there's all of this to finish it up. This is so cool. More doors. cool. So that's it for the upper part. We're going to go down to the lower cargo area now. So this place is getting completely demolished in a week or two. So this was like so happy we finally got to come here to film it. And we got to see it before it's gone.
Plane. Don't know when you'll be back again.
Okay, so we're going down to the lower part now.
Wait.
This stair is not stable. This is like the smallest area ever. This is so tight of a squeeze. There we go.
You following me or what do you want?
So we're in this small little area right now. This thing rolls. It's kind of scary. This is like weird under stuff. So we're going over here now.
Oh my god, we're gonna.
This area is so small. I didn't see these before, but this is sick. This is so cool. So we're going to try and get into this little bottom part now. I'm not going to say that. I was going to say, you're a hole. I'm going to try not to walk down.
They've been storing all kinds of random parts.
I'm going to try not to walk down there.
They've been storing.
So that is it for the video on this abandoned plane. This was an amazing experience. I'm so happy I got to see it before it got demolished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next Monday with another exploring video. Bye!